Breathe cleaner air and protect your home with PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, offering expert HVAC inspection services that uncover issues, boost efficiency, and improve comfort fast. Don't wait for breakdowns or rising energy bills to take control. Choose PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning for reliable HVAC inspection solutions that extend system life, enhance airflow, and create healthier living spaces starting today right now. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for a HVAC inspection service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is an HVAC inspection? An HVAC inspection is a professional evaluation of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to ensure efficiency, safety, proper airflow, and identify maintenance or repair needs early. Why is an HVAC inspection important? An HVAC inspection is important because it improves efficiency, prevents costly repairs, enhances safety, ensures proper airflow, extends system lifespan, and maintains reliable heating and cooling performance year-round. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our HVAC inspection service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania HVAC inspection service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.